What is this fluffy creature with horns so neat? It started with a circle, so simple and petite. Let's create a cuddly little pal that's cute and sweet, the silliest friend you will ever greet. As you can see, this time we're shaking things up, trying something new. We're crafting a cute little creature straight from our imagination. Feel free to tweak and add your own flair along the way. Remember, it's yours to create and make uniquely yours. Maybe give it a funky hat or roller skates. Anything goes. Drop a comment and let me know what crazy and cool details you added. From a circle, magic grew, a creature that's both cute and new. With fluffy fur and horns so tiny, it's a friend who's sweet and shiny. With a twist of fun and a touch of cheer, it's a friend that is always near. Put your spin on every part, our playful buddy's a work of art. Fantastic work, you peeptacular peep. You've outdone yourself again. Now, the details are done and everything's in sight. So let's grab that marker and make it just right. With marker in hand, we sketch with style and flair, turning our creations into a masterpiece beyond compare. While we're spicing up our little friend to be even more awesome, have an idea of a name that's as cool as our creature is? Drop your best ideas below. Our creature popped out of a magical stardust circle. What's the craziest adventure you would have sent it to first? Did it fly with dragons, or have a party with other peeps we have created? I am curious. We're closing in on the finish line, so guess what time it is? Time to pick out those colors and make our creation pop. You know you can't choose wrong, so enjoy and just have fun. Here's my dazzling version if you're curious to sneak a peek. And if you want more free videos like this, because they're awesome, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.